So I just made the Sunbutter and oat balls, and they contained some chocolate and walnut, which you can add if you want, but the recipe just said some mini chocolate chips, which would probably be a better choice than trying to cut up chocolate chips because they don't stay together very well. You could get like a chocolate bar and try to cut that up, but chocolate chips are weirdly shaped. So, and the recipe turned out pretty good. It was a little too thick though, so if you wanted to, you could probably add some water, or if you were fine with baking it for a few minutes. I don't know the directions on how to bake it, but if you were to bake it, you could add some milk to thin the batter. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They taste pretty good. If you like chocolate, then adding the cocoa powder is a good thing, but you don't have to. You could probably add some like vanilla if you wanted some more flavor, or anything else. You could add more sweetener if you want. I only did 3 tablespoons of maple syrup.